guys, I have recently purchased a Dyson, so I'm going to take you through the unboxing of the Dyson V8 Absolute Plus, which I have recently purchased from Amazon during the Prime Day sale. So let's get started and see what is in the box. So this is how Amazon has sent out the box. You can just have a look. So it says Dyson V8 Absolute Plus vacuum cleaner, and made in Malaysia, month and year of manufacture, what is the MRP, and all the other details, and of course the code and other things. So let's start the unboxing process. So the outer cover is removed. This is the outer cover, which I think is part of the Amazon packing. Let's keep it here. So this is the Dyson box. So let's the operating manual, assembly. We'll come to this later. Let's see what's in the box. The charging unit, the handle, I guess, the vacuuming unit, the additional accessories, one more accessory. These are all the additional accessories. So first let me lay all this on the table, then we'll see what the accessories are all about. So these are all the things which were in the box. So it is the user manual, operating manual, the charger, the vacuum cleaner, the charging dock, and 9 types of accessories. This is the extended handle, and this is the extended for nook and crannies. We have 2 roller heads, and this is for shorter shelf or table kind of cleaning. This is for spot cleaning, where you can suction minute dust from a single spot like this. And I think this is again for using in your car or in a shelf or a table. And again, this is one different kind of accessory, maybe which you can use to suction high cobwebs on the wall kind of. And this is to reach out to hard to reach surfaces where you can suction. And this is a brush kind of suction, which you can use to scoop up and suction fine dust. So if you see, all of them can be used along with the extended handle or straight with the vacuum cleaner, just like this. See here, just a click, it goes in like this, and this becomes a handheld vacuum cleaner. If you want to use it along with a long handle, you can also do so. Just plug in the long handle here and the extended one here. So this becomes a longer handle version, which you can use as well. Looks like completely handy. So I'll give you a review after I use each one of them. Let me remove this. The removing part also is very easy. Just one click and gently pull it out. And if you see this here, the actual machine, it comes with 2 modes. One is the maximum, and I think this is the regular one. And here you have the button for removing the trash. The trash gets collected here, so just pull it up gently, and the trash opens up. You can just empty the trash, close it, and push it down. It closes with a click. This is a little heavy, not too heavy that you can't carry it, and this comes with a gun kind of trigger kind of model. Just look at this button, and here the filter is located. So this is the trigger, so you just have to push it for activating the suction. So I'll give you a review when I use it. This is only the unboxing video, so keep watching this space to look out for the review of each individual usage of each of these accessories. This is just the unboxing to know what is in the box in Dyson. I'll be posting a separate video for individual usage of all of these accessories one by one. So if you are interested in knowing what each of these accessories does, keep watching my channel to know about its use. Hope all of you have got a clear idea of what is in the box when you buy a V8 Absolute Plus Dyson. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.